Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Facebook page using your mobile phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open Facebook page. Now go to the menu. In iPhone, the menu icon will be at right bottom side, but if you are using Android, this option will be at right top side of the menu. Now switch to your that page you want to delete. I want to delete this one made by Sardar. Now again go to the menu. Now at right top corner you can see the settings icon. Click on this settings icon. Now go down here and search for access and control. Click on this. Now at top you will see deactivation and deletion. Click on this. Click on delete page, the bottom one, and then click on continue. Now again click on continue. Now here it will say you once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate your page or retrieve any of its content. Go down here and click on continue. And here type your password and your page will be deleted. This is the easiest process to do and delete any unwanted Facebook pages of yours. So, hope you liked the video. Must comment about this method, must like, and thanks for watching.